This video is actually being recorded on a micro body cam. It is less than 2 inches long and it is super, super light. They call it the sports cam. I call it the body cam. The way I have it mounted right now is on a chain that goes around your neck and sits on a magnetic plate. So it is a little jittery. There is no stabilization on this camera, but even without the stabilization, it's still pretty stable, even though I was moving around a bunch. But I wanted to show the clarity of this particular unit and how small it is, how compact it is. It also has a screen built into the back so you could preview the video or you could preview what you're recording before you even do it. And look at all the accessories. I mean, there's so many accessories with this thing. I was using the chain, but it comes with a pocket clip. There's the chain right there. I was wearing that around my neck. The one thing I found hard about that is very hard to aim it and get it exactly where you want it. But with the other attachments that they have for this, you can use a boot holder, or you can use this strap, which you can put around your head. You can put it around a helmet. This is the shoe attachment where you put the bolt through and then you slide it through a shoe that's mounted to something. There are so many options with this particular mini camera system. It's really amazing. This one here, you can actually clamp it onto a handlebars of a bicycle or something else. If it was waterproof, I was going to clamp it onto my pool cleaner, but I wanted you to see the 1080i capability of the actual video itself. Now, I know it's a little overexposed in some areas. It was very, very, very sunny out. And like I said, I was wearing it around my neck, but I also wanted to be able to see detail. Can I see the detail? Can I see detail on the house? Can I see detail on the gutters? Can I see detail of the dogs? Can I see the detail on the trees? And I was so amazed at this small little camera, how much detail. And the reason is it's got a 1080i system in it. And it has a very long runtime too. And you could put an SD card and you could charge it USB. And it has a 120-degree wide-angle lens. As you can see here, it's got a pretty wide angle. Like I said, I was facing into the light. It was very, very, very bright that day. But I wanted you to be able to see detail. Can we see the detail on the ceiling? Can we see detail on the windows? Can we see details? And I was quite surprised how clear the video recording of this particular product is. It has a noise reduction system. That is awesome. It has a 120-minute runtime on the battery, which is really, really, really nice. And like I said, you can recharge it USB. And the best part is it comes with so many attachments, you can attach it to just about anything. You can mount this thing anywhere. If you're looking for a body cam, here's one I can highly recommend.